In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video on Webflow fast. We'll move quickly, but I'll make sure every click is clear so you can follow along the first time. Start by signing into Webflow and heading to your site's page. This is where all your projects live. Find the project you want to work on and open its dashboard. From there, choose Open in Webflow to launch the designer, which is where we'll add and configure the video. Once the designer is open, look to the left toolbar and open the Add panel. If you prefer searching, click into the Add panel's search field and type Video. This helps you find the video element right away, especially on large projects with lots of components. Now click the video element to select it and place it on the page where you want the video to appear. You can drop it inside a section, container, or a specific layout div so it aligns with your design. If you're building a reusable layout, consider placing it inside a structured grid or flex wrapper to keep things tidy on different screen sizes. With the video element selected, open the Element Settings panel on the right. Click into the URL field and paste your video link from a supported platform, like YouTube or Vimeo. Make sure you're using the standard share URL so Webflow can recognize and embed it properly. Next, click into the title field and add a short, descriptive title. This is helpful for accessibility and gives useful context to search engines and assistive technologies. If you see a Show All Settings option, click it to expand any additional controls relevant to your embed. This is a good habit whenever you add a component. It helps you discover small toggles that can save time. Switch over to the Style tab to adjust the look and layout. Set the width to 100% for responsive designs, refine margins and padding so the video breathes within your layout, and tweak corner radius or shadows if your visual style calls for it. These style choices ensure the video feels seamlessly integrated with the rest of your page. Now hop into the Interactions panel if you want to animate the video's entrance, like a subtle fade in, so it appears smoothly as users scroll. Keep animations light for performance. When you're done, return to the Settings panel to confirm your link and title one last time. That's it. The fast, reliable way to add a video in Webflow.